I have the JJRC H345. I want to open this up, I want to see what comes in the box, talk about it a little bit, and then go out, test them out, see how well they do. So without wasting any more time, let's open this box. In the box, you get two little foldable drones. This is the JJ1 and this is the JJ2. Each drone comes with a 3.7 volt, 200 milliamp hour battery, but they are encased inside so you can't take them out. And these little guys, they do flips and rolls. I imagine that they are pretty identical in performance. They are not identical in body style. JJ1 is a little thinner than the JJ2. Also in the front here, it has an LED light, so that's good for orientation, knowing which way is front. And both of them are flown with this one controller. This is a 2.4 gigahertz. Now, I'm not sure if you can fly both of them at the same time with one controller, but you know I'm gonna try it. And in the package, you get some little game thing that you can, I don't know if you can download or go online or something. It's just some little game. There's a QR code in there. So maybe if you scan the QR code, it'll take you where you have to go. But there is a little manual in here. Gives you all kinds of instructions, controller details. And in this bag, you get 4 spare propellers and a USB charger. But I'll talk about more as I'm flying these around. So I want to charge these up and then we'll be ready to fly. So here we have the JJ1 and the JJ2, and they're pretty cool looking. Little foldable drones. It's 2 drones with 1 controller. I want to see if you can fly both of these with the same controller at the same time. So I'm going to turn these on, and the on-off switch is right here in the back, just above the charging port. So I'll turn that on, turn this one on, and they're both flashing, so hopefully they both bind. And then we'll turn the controller on, and I imagine it's up, down to bind. And well, they both have solid LEDs, so well, let's try it. Here we go. Oh my gosh, you can fly both of them at the same time. Now let me separate these a little bit just so they don't crash into each other. But here we go, let's try this. Okay. Well, I don't know if you saw that. JJ2 here did not have enough power, and JJ1 just wanted to keep going higher. But yeah, let's try that again just to show you. Hopefully you'll be able to pick it up here. Okay, see, JJ1's going up and JJ2 is right here. So JJ2 does not lift up as fast as JJ1 here. So I'm gonna turn these off and turn the controller off. So everything is unbound, and we're just gonna fly one. JJ1, we'll just fly that one. Up, down. Okay, we got a solid LED, you can see that. Solid LED, here we go. Wow. So this thing flies really smooth. And I think I'm only in the first rate. You can change rates, it has dual rate. Let's switch to the other rate. Okay, there was 2 beeps, and oh yeah, you can see there's a lot more pitch. A lot more pitch. Yeah, this thing is
pretty snappy. Like, I'm not even full throttle. Here, let's try full throttle. Here we go. Wow, I like this a lot. Now, these are non-altitude hold, but they're very easy to control. Very cool. I like it. Okay, let's bring it over here. I mean, it hovers so good too. Okay, let's try a flip here. Now, I have to trim it a little. It is wanting to go forward on its own. Let's do a flip here. You just hit this shoulder button. Oh wait. Hit this shoulder button here, and whichever direction you want to go. There was a front flip. Let's do a roll. Okay, there's a roll. There's a back flip, and let's do, ooh, kind of lost altitude on that one. That could have been my fault too. But this thing, man, this thing flies so good. Let's see if there's another rate. It beeped twice. Yes, there's a third rate. Oh my gosh. So there is 3 rates, and oh wow, you can't really tell a huge difference between the second rate and a third, but geez, this thing, man, tight flips, nice tight flips. This is probably the coolest drone that I've had on the channel. I think I'm flashing now. Yep, I'm flashing. So the battery is dying, but good thing is I have JJ2. So I think that's the idea behind this, where you can fly one, have the other one charging, then the other one's charged up, and you can just keep alternating back and forth. I'm just gonna fly it till it's dead. I've been flying probably for about 4 minutes now, 4 or 5 minutes. That is the expected battery life. And okay, and it lost all power right there. So yeah, there was JJ1. I don't expect much difference for JJ2, but let's try it out. Okay, JJ2, it's up to you to be as cool as that one. So turn this on, turn the controller on, up, down, and there we go. We have a bind, and let's take off. Okay, now this one is a little louder. JJ1 was pretty quiet. JJ2 is a little louder. So, okay, so that's first rate. Still not bad. The LEDs are bright in the front there. JJ2 has 3 LEDs, which makes it very easy to see. Okay, 2 beeps. We are in intermediate. You can tell a difference in the speed, and there's 3. And oh yeah, you can definitely tell a difference in that. Let's try some flips with this one. Okay, we did a front flip, now a back flip. Did a roll and another roll, and the flips and rolls work great. This is quite a cool set of drones, I must say. I just can't get over how well this thing flies.
So I didn't want to drag on the video with flying JJ2 around because it performed exactly the same as JJ1. So now you saw both of these fly, and man, JJRC nailed it with these. These things are pretty much perfect. I can't really find anything wrong with them aside from battery life. And before I go, I'm going to give you a preview of the next RC coming up on the channel. It's going to be the Verhoek V04 to 1/24th scale little RC buggy. So thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button right over here if you didn't already. Hit me with a thumbs up, and I hope to see you with the next Ready to Run RC.